How to overlap shapes in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So first I will show you how you can insert the shape in Google Docs and how you can overlap it. Go to the insert, just keep the cursor where you want the shape. Go to the insert, go to the drawing, go to the new, and here the drawing option we have, and you can see there is a shape option. Just click on shape. You can find the many types of shapes here. So I take the circle and just draw the circle here, and I can draw another circle. Let me take one again. Okay, now you can overlapping easily. Just click on another one and just overlap on it. Now you can make it transparent. Go click on first, go to this transparent and click on transparent, and click again another one, click on transparent. Now you can also change the width of this border. Click any shape, go to this width option, increase it like this. You can also change the width, sorry, that circle line color. After you're done, just click save and close. Now just click on it, click on that shape and click on this option, front text or behind text. I just click front of text. Now just click again and you can easily move freely within the documents. Okay, so that is how you can overlap shapes in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.